Hey there folks! Are you curious about the exciting world of registered apprenticeships? Well, you're in for a treat because today, we're going to explore the top 5 benefits of registered apprenticeships. Benefit number 1, practical skills. Apprenticeships offer hands-on training where you learn by doing. Forget about sitting in a classroom all day. With registered apprenticeships, you'll roll up your sleeves and dive right into the action. Benefit number 2, job security. In today's competitive job market, having a solid career path is crucial. Apprenticeships provide you with the skills employers need, making you an attractive candidate for in-demand industries. Benefit number 3, earning potential. Let's face it, we all want a paycheck that reflects our hard work. Apprenticeships not only provide on-the-job training but also offer competitive wages, allowing you to earn while you learn. Benefit number 4, mentorship. Learning from experienced professionals is like having a secret weapon. Apprenticeships pair you with mentors who guide and support you every step of the way, helping you sharpen your skills and succeed. And finally, benefit number 5, career advancement. Apprenticeships are a stepping stone to a rewarding career. Once you've completed your program, doors of opportunity open wide, leading you to promotions, specialized roles, and even entrepreneurship. So, there you have it. The top 5 benefits of registered apprenticeships: practical skills, job security, earning potential, mentorship, and career advancement. It's a winning combination. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you're as excited about registered apprenticeships as we are. Remember, the future is bright when you choose the apprenticeship advantage. Cheers!